Is back. So last one, just bare bones, right? All the minimum stuff. A single function with a Flask decorator that applies all the Flask functionality to it, and it just sent back an H1 tag with some stuff in it. Listening on localhost on port 8080. This time though, let's see how we can send some parameters back from our front end and handle them on the back end. Let me save this, run our project, and then look at our browser, reload. Okay, so question mark key 1 is equal to val 1. Hit enter. Here we go. Key 1 is val 1. So we can keep going with that. You separate parameters with an ampersand. Key 2 is equal to val 2. And in PHP days, I think you could even send back like an array of items. I wonder if that's still true. Key 3 is equal to 1. I don't mean to do that. I feel like I'm in class still. The way my excellent typing skills are being displayed. You hear my loud keyboard? My son made me buy this dumb thing. Yeah, no, that's a string. Oh well. Anyway, interesting. Tuples. Key 2, value 2, key 3. Yeah, we can convert that to some. Anyway, that's how you send parameters back. That's how we're going to send parameters back to our route so that we can basically tell the backend what to do, what data to get, what to display, etc. All right, going on to